So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to get more subscribers with the new year coming around. I'm going to give you 3 simple tips to help you grow your YouTube channel this upcoming year. Now, number 1 is vertical videos. If you've been living under a rock, vertical videos have been taking all media companies by storm, and that is Shorts, TikTok, and Reels on Instagram. And why this is important, and you may disagree with this, but again, this is to help grow your YouTube channel. If you do vertical videos, you have a better possibility of getting your video to more eyeballs. Now, the reason why that's important, because the more eyeballs that see your video, there's a better chance to converting those people into subscribers. Obviously, if no one's seeing your video, you're not going to get subscribers. Whereas a short content, you're going to get, again, a lot of eyeballs on that. They may see your face multiple times and eventually get intrigued, check out long form videos such as this, and therefore subscribe to your YouTube channel, or they'll just at least watch more of your videos, which again, YouTube algorithm will get that video to more eyeballs once again, and again, get you more chances for people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Now, what you can do for YouTube Shorts, it's fairly simple. You can do just a few seconds, find a trend that's going on, or take your long form video and chop it up into clips and post that under your YouTube Shorts. Now, there's been talks about possibly having a different channel, but it makes sense to keep everything under one umbrella, because when they do see your short, they will be linked back to your normal account, which they may see a long form video that may pique some interest and therefore click on and eventually subscribe to your YouTube channel. Number 2, this is a fairly obvious one, which you've probably heard before, but it makes the most sense, and that is being consistent with your YouTube channel. Now, a lot of times people will look at YouTube as more of a hobby, which again is totally fine, but what you need to do is have a consistent time that you are going to set aside to work on your video, have ideas, but also posting your videos. A lot of time your subscribers will get used to watching your videos at a certain time frame in a week or month, and therefore again they'll get so used to that. If you throw that off or it's always all over the place, your viewers and subscribers are going to have a difficult time knowing when you're going to post a video. Now, yes, they could have their notifications turned on, but more likely than not, your subscribers are not going to have that. I am bad at this, and I'm sure there's more people out there, such as myself, that never turn on notifications for channels that they subscribe to, and therefore you cannot rely on that. So having a consistent posting schedule will make a huge difference for you to grow your YouTube channel. Now, number 3, this one kind of goes back on the number 1, and this is talking about posting cross platforms. Now, most people are used to posting on one such media such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those. But what you need to do is actually post on all these all the time. Now, you may think that is going to be very, very difficult to do. But what you can do is take all those shorts you've been posting on YouTube, take them, post them on TikTok, post them on Instagram. Now, I wouldn't recommend posting them all back to back, all at the same time. Give them a little bit of time each and where you go, because what you're going to do is you're going to kind of feed this into the machine of all the algorithms. And it's the same thing. As you do that, you're getting in front of more eyeballs, because you have to think there's certain people that only go on TikTok. There's certain people that only go on YouTube Shorts. There's certain people that only look on Facebook. Therefore, they're not going to be looking all these different places. So you do not have to worry about your video being seen by more people, or the same people seeing your video at different locations. More likely than not, they will not see it. And even if they do, they'll again get more associated with your videos and most likely like your videos and check out your YouTube channel again. So therefore, you're just creating more chances to get more eyeballs in front of your YouTube channel, which is going to make the huge difference to get more subscribers this year. Now, on top of all that, obviously, you still want to have quality into your content. That is going to still be a big thing. Now, we could obviously talk about that in another video, how you make better videos. But today was talking about how to get more subscribers for your YouTube channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate that. It helps get this video out to more people such as yourself, and I will see you in our next video.